Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can change your email and Instagram app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also be sure to put your likes under the video, write your comments after watching it, and let's get started. So, first of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then go to your page here at the top on the right-hand side. Click on the three bars to go to Settings. Next, in the Settings, open the Meta Accounts Center. Here select your personal information. Next, you will see Contact Information. So friends, this will take you to all the contact information that is assigned to your Instagram page. This can be emails as well as a phone number. As you can see, I have multiple emails. And first, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete an old email. To do this, you'll need to open an email like this. Click on it and find this Delete Email option. Click on it. Then you just need to confirm the action and click Delete again. After that, friends, when you delete old emails to add new emails, at the bottom, click Add New Contact and add email. Now, friends, you will need to enter your new email in this window. Next, you will need to select the Instagram page that you want to attach this email to. After that, you will need to click on Next. This way, you will automatically save your new email and attach it to your Instagram page. Friends, this is the way you will be able to change your email and Instagram app. I really hope this video helped you and that it was useful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.